structural member tool within the Weldment toolset. In the next several video tutorials, we're going to be exploring the Weldments environment and toolset. Let's start by creating a sketch. Right-click on the front plane and insert sketch. Let's activate the line tool, and now we'll create some lines. Right-click, select. Let's add a vertical relationship. OK. Now we'll add some dimensions. The width will be 100 millimeters. This dimension will be 250 millimeters. And this dimension will be 100 millimeters. Okay, let's exit the sketch. Next, let's activate the Weldments toolbar. Right-click on any of the toolset icons and select the Custom Manager. Check Weldments and then click Outside. Activate the Weldments toolbar and select Structural Member. The Structural Member tool uses profiles. I'm going to select the ISO standard. Under Type, I'll select Rectangular Tube. And under Size, I will select 50 by 30 by 2.6. In the Path Segment selection box, I'm going to select the 4 outer lines of my shape. Here I've got one more line, but if I try to select it, I can't. The reason for this is that only 2 structural members can intersect at any particular point. Right here in our Settings control area, I can opt to apply a corner treatment. My 3 options are End Miter, End Butt 1, and End Butt 2. I'm going to select End Miter. Here we can opt to insert a rotating angle. This will rotate the structural member around the selected line. I'm going to enter 0 for now and hit Tab. Next, I'll press the Locate Profile button. SolidWorks automatically zooms in on the profile. Here I can select the number of pierce points. I want the metal tube profile to be created outside my sketch profile. For this reason, I'm going to select this point. Now all structural members are located outside the sketch profile. In order to change an individual corner treatment, I can click on the red dot, and then I can select one of the 3 options and click OK. I'll change this one down here as well. Click OK, and OK again to exit the Structural Members Property Manager. Next, let's create another structural member. We activate the Structural Member feature. I'm going to use the same standard and type, and also the same size. Let's select this line. Because we only have one structural member, we don't have a corner treatment option in this case in our Settings control area. Let's click on Locate Profile. Let's rotate our member a little bit. We'll choose this pierce point here. Next, let's rotate the structural member 90 degrees. And let's change the pierce point. Okay, now it looks fine. Let's click OK. Now if we check the specification tree, we see our new Weldment feature right here. This feature sets the Weldment environment. In other words, activates a multi-body environment and allows us to work with the common properties required by Weldments. One example of this is that in Weldments, our solid bodies don't merge together automatically. With the Weldments tool active, our solid bodies folder now becomes a cut list. A cut list is used in drawing. This green icon indicates that this cut list needs to be updated. Let's right-click on the cut list and select Update. Now instead of 5 solid bodies, we've got 4 folders. One of the folders holds 2 structural members. Basically, this means that both of these solid bodies have the same size and corner treatments and are hence grouped into one folder. We see here that the icon has changed also. This means that our cut list is now up to date.